Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable inboard whiteboard in Zoom. So if you're using Zoom have this feature where you can use whiteboard and you can enable it to use it, or you can disable it if you don't want this feature to be used. You want to head over to Zoom.com and log into your account, click your profile in the upper right and go to the settings. Once you're inside the settings area, go ahead and click on the whiteboard at the top from these options. And here you will find the option that says enable inboard whiteboard. Once you toggle this on, it's gonna give you the option to enable it, which then allow other whiteboard features to be enabled. As you can see there's quite a few options right here. But that's it. You can go through and see those different options that are there, enable or disable, just by simply making further adjustments to the features that comes with whiteboard in this section. And that's pretty much it.